Oh.
Sikat sa salida sa sini ang Dave Big in the City. Apan diri sa Cebu City tunay certified social nga baboy. Siya si Nacho, ang baboy nga adunay kaugalingong kwarto, kaugalingong swimming pool, magkayong tag sana oil. Di pa naigo, doon na sa jay kaugalingon nga yayo o governance, kamaoy magsunod-sunod kaniya, ug mo pagkaon kaniya. Ato siyang ilayulahon kauban niyang circle of friends nga mga pato, iro, ug onggoy.
Si Nacho, kanang gitawagan mi ni Doc Jess sa atong Cebu City Pound nga niingon siya nga naay nagpatabang nga driver nga nawagtangan og trabaho. Nya dili na siya ka continue og pagpa-feed sa iyang gihimo man iyang pet si Landix man to ingan sa una. Unya di na siya ka continue so iyang paulian unta ba. Baligya niya nya so we decided nga sige atong paliton si Nacho atong i-continue to be as pet. Gi-rename lang namong Ignacio or Nacho.
Okay, so
Nacho as the nickname.
Okay, so karon ano sa siya kang tiya?
Naasa siya kang tiya. Oh, so as you can see mo ni yang playground, ang iyang mga kaduwa dogs, mga itik. That is a pig, but he's a good boy. And it's nice to have him around.
And he has a swimming pool.
Yeah.
Yes, a yayo.
Yeah, he's like it's I know it's unusual to have a pet as a pig, but it's I don't know, it's what he deserves. And his previous owner, Lando, it's like I think he also understood that's a little unusual for people to have a pet as a pig, and I'm happy that I was able to adopt Nacho. Ignacio, I mean.
Is this your first time at having a pet?
Yeah, I've never had a pet pig before. And like
But you learn to love him, yeah.
Yeah, I love him, and like I'm very grateful that he has a yayo, and then there's also Nong Berto and Nong Dorong who know how to take care of pigs.
Yeah.
The only thing I know is that Nacho likes to run around. He likes to dig in mud. He likes apples. He likes crunchy carrots. I don't really know anything else. Wait. About pig care.
How does it feel to be a foster family of these pets, rescued pets?
It feels great knowing that like they're being taken care of and seeing their progress from being sickly to healthy, and then it's nice to see them eat well.
Okay, they're playing at the back of you. Okay.
Yeah, it's nice to see them recover well and then eventually go to their forever home.
Yeah.
And then sometimes like with cases like Bautista where I get attached, or like with Nino I get a little too attached, I decide I want to keep them with me.
So you're personally taking care of them?
No, it's my mom, it's Elmer the Yayo, it's Yaya Emma, it's a lot of people, it's the entire household. Like it's not just
na ay mga baboy na jud na consider as pet jud siya, but sa iyahang size labi na sa ato ang country, which is pork eater ta. So kung siya na iyahang breed is dili jud siya unusual siya as pet. Kay usually man gud na ginapet na baboy is katong mga gagmay, pot bellied.
Yeah.
So sa iya is unusual siya tungod kay large white man gud siya, intended siya for meat human consumption.
Okay.
So unusual jud siya para dinhi sa ato. Alabi na dinhi sa syudad sa Sugbo kay kita ra ba is mahilig og lechon. So ang ato ang delicacy dinhi is lechon ra ba. So
sa nahitaba karon, it's a different thing.
Yes, so lain ang perspective sad ani sa side sad sa katong mga pet lovers na which is dili lang dahil iro og iring, mga manok ang pwede ma-pet. Pwede ma-pets na to, pwede sa day ang baboy. Kaya ang baboy man sa good is actually isa siya sa mga intelligent na mga animals.
So maka-adapt siya, makasabot siya.
Yes, actually, yes sir. Bright sa jud na ang baboy sa jud.
So matrain siya, Doc?
Yes, pwede jud siya, matrain jud siya. But commonly lang jud is katong mga pot-bellied lang. Ang ginapet tungod sa size niya. Kani mangod siya large white ang iyahang size, sumudako pa.
Kung aduna mo'y may istorya gusto nyong ipaambit diri sa atong social media portal, inyo lang na i-send sa kong email address alan75domingo@gmail.com. Daghan kayong salamat and God bless us all.
Nacho, come on.